So automation.
This call is now being recorded.
Okay, so welcome back to CAD CAE lecture. Today we have to finish the chapter number 3, last point. Okay, automation. What is automation? What is an automation? Automation is nothing but a process of making anything. Okay, process of making anything without or very less human effort. Okay, automation is nothing but the whatever the sequence. Okay, we have given that sequence machine will follow is nothing but the automation. Okay, now this is a syllabus for automation chapter concept and definition of automation, types, different types, advantages and limitation. CIM and CAD/CAM. What is CIM? Computer integrated machine. That study part, theoretical part, we have to study today. Group technology. Okay, whatever the operations in manufacturing industry. Okay, after completion of BE, we will get a job in. Suppose we will get the yeah, this is very interesting part. Now, nowadays, automation or manufacturing in automation is very important. Okay, different courses, different softwares. Okay, by using the different sources, different software, different programs, different machines. Okay, we can produce different product. Different products are there. Okay, whatever the industry, whatever the production, whatever the services, okay, they are having is nothing but the group technology. Okay, for the or similar family, all the products considering similar from a family, nothing but the group technology. Okay, part family is also one of the type of group technology. Classifications and codification system. Okay, as a automation engineer, okay, or as a CAD/CAM engineer. Okay, this is very important. What is the codification system? Okay, how to identify a different objects. Okay, suppose if you want 1 minute. So suppose you want give the name to the different object. Suppose we are having one of the production like nut and bolt. Okay, or for the suppose we take the example of mobile. Okay, suppose a Samsung or Xiaomi produces different types of mobile, but in that whatever the versions are there. Okay, version Samsung, sorry, Vivo Pro, Samsung, different. I think you might be knowing maximum type. आपल्याला पाण्यात टाकून नाव आपल्याला दिलं जातं माणसांना, बरोबर का? आत्याबाईकडून. तसंच काय करतोय आपण ऍज अ मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर we have to give the name to that different product. Is nothing but the codification. Okay, in terms of the mathematical or the digital format, we can give the name to that particular product. Is nothing but the codification. Okay, merits and demerits of the group technology. Okay, different types of whatever CAPP. Okay, now CPP is also important part. Okay, I think in last lecture I was busy in very important meeting. So you might attended the lecture of C.C. Jadhav sir. Okay, I think Jadhav sir told me I have completed the CAP. What is CAP? Computer aided process planning. This is nothing but something process. Okay, generative types of computer aided process planning, concept of ERP. Okay, this is also fully theoretical part is there. Okay, so am I audible? Anyone give the reply? I have shared my screen. Due to that, I am not visible. How many students are present? Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Oh, okay, okay, thank you. So we will start the automation. Okay, first of all, what is the definition of automation? What is an automation? Now, very simple definition. Automation is a generally defined as process of making machine. Okay, what is the automation? Process of making machine to follow a predetermined sequence of the operation. Whatever operation we will give to that machine, okay, machine will follow automatically. Is nothing but automation. Okay, the process of making machine to follow a predetermined sequence of operations with little or no human labor using. Okay, sorry, no human or labor. Okay, very less interference of the human, or it might be no. Okay, using the specialized equipment and the devices. What are the specialized equipment and devices? Different machines. Okay, different programs, different softwares. These are the equipments required for the automation that performs and control the manufacturing process. Now, as a mechanical engineer, as our syllabus concerned, now we are studying automation in terms of the manufacturing only. Okay, what is the automation in manufacturing? Okay, as a mechanical engineer, our role is to manufacture. Okay, whatever the product, whatever the requirement from the industry, whatever the requirement from the customer. Okay, we have to give according to that person requirement, people requirement, society requirement. We have to manufacture the product. Okay, this is our role. Now, by using due to the less worker, okay, for the increment of the production rate, automation is very important. Okay, automation generally takes the no human effort or less human effort. Okay, now what is the advantages of that automation? Okay, definitely by using automation, we will the quality of that product will definitely better. Okay, as per the whatever product, if you manufacture or if you make one device or one product on lathe machine and CNC machine, different aspect will be there. Okay, for that betterment. Okay, this is nothing but automation. Now, in automation, different types. There are three types. Basically, three types are there. Very simple types are there. Okay, fixed automation, programmable automation, and the last flexible automation. Okay, fixed is nothing but the hard automation. Hard automation and soft automation. Okay, we will say in detail. Okay, so first part is a fixed automation. Okay, now fixed automation refers to the use of special purpose equipment. Now see here, fixed automation is required for this special purpose. Okay, now what is the special purpose? Suppose you will give the program. Now, give the program and use the machine is definitely. Okay, this is a required. This is a must in automation. Now, on what basis they have defined, on what basis they have classified this automation in three types. Okay, now first type is a fixed automation. A fixed automation is nothing but the sequence of whatever the manufacturing, and that sequence the machine will follow. Okay, suppose initially I will give one example. Okay, different bottling or different. Suppose I will give one example, very better example, the milk packing. Okay, the milk packing is the very best example of the for the fixed automation. Okay, in every morning, every evening, in every person, milk is very important. Okay, suppose you have visited the milk industry, okay, or dairy industry. Okay, you might be knowing what is the procedure of that packing. Okay, now the packing machine follows the same instruction. Okay, whatever the fixed program we have to give to that machine, and that machine will follow the same procedure. Okay, without any interference or without any change in that process. This is nothing but fixed. No any change after given program. Okay, म्हणजे एक काम दिलं त्याला तेच काम करत राहील. Okay, for example, to put or to fill that bag and pack. Okay, this is a program for that milk machine. Automatically, the different bags will be produced, or different bag will be cut. Okay, within that the required period or as per our requirement. Okay, this is nothing but the fixed. Okay, now in detail, what is the theoretical part? Fixed automation refers to the use of special purpose equipment of automate a fixed sequence of the processing. Okay, now fixed involve perhaps a planned linear or rotational motion. Okay, suppose I will give one example. Okay, in our gathering also. Okay, or in any cultural program, in cultural event, the different lightings are there. Okay, different lighting are in upcoming our very interesting event is coming, Ganpati Bappa. Okay, now in that cultural event, we can use the different lighting. Okay, different bulbs are there, the colorful bulbs are there. Now this is nothing but the automation. Okay, whatever the when the blink or off, on off that particular color bulb. Okay, this is also an automation, fixed automation. Okay, after giving that program, ओके म्हणजे आपण ते लाईटच्या माळा म्हणतो बघा डेफिनेटली त्या काय करतात आहे म्हणजे व्हॉट एव्हर द फ्लो ओके व्हॉट एव्हर द इनिशियल प्रोग्राम वी हॅव गिवन that machine will follow the same program. Is nothing but the fixed automation. In suppose consider in our manufacturing industry. Okay, by using nut and bolt manufacturing industry. Okay, or stamp. Okay, the very important part in automation is stamp or to give the production date. One of the paste that information on that product is also one of the automation. Okay, now what is the role of that automation machine? Only paste. Okay, only give the remark on that whatever the product. Now, this is nothing but the fixed automation. Okay, whatever the program we have given that machine, they will follow is nothing but the fixed automation. Okay, now what is it is relatively difficult to accommodate changes in the product. Definitely, okay, relatively difficult to accommodate changes. Why? Because this is a fixed automation. Whenever you will give the program, okay, now the what is the role of that machine? Follow that procedure. Okay, suppose you want to change direction, change different color, change the different date. Okay, now this is a critical. Why? Because this is a fixed and initially we have given the program. Okay, and that program we can't change as like ANSYS software. Okay, whenever you will give object to that ANSYS software. Okay, from the CATIA or any 3D modeling software. Okay, we can't change in.
Hello, sir.
Okay. I will change my place. लगेच लगेच सांगत जाऊ अरे मी कसं आहे माहिती का मोबाईल माझ्या जवळ असल्यामुळे आफ्टर स्क्रीन शेअरिंग ओके आय एम नॉट एबल टू what is going on okay in Google Meet page. Okay, is it clear now? Hello. Okay. Okay, so it is relatively difficult to the role in fixed automation is give the program at one stage. Okay, after if you want to change. Okay, now this is somewhat depend. Why? Because we have to make program again. Okay, this is not the time consuming method. For that purpose, the second automation, second type is also available for us. Okay, now something very important parts are there in considering the fixed automation. Sequence of manufacturing is fixed. Okay, definitely sequence of manufacturing or the operations of processing, okay, or assembly, any operation. This is nothing but the sequence of that manufacturing is fixed. Okay. Now second, reduction in setup and production time. Okay, reduction in setup and production. Why? Because initially we will give the program. Initially we will the direction to that machine. Okay. There is no any requirement of the setup again or production. Okay. Setup time is reduced. Okay. Why? Because production. Okay. As a mechanical engineer, mass production is very important. Okay. Now what is the mass production? Mass production is nothing but the manufacture the or different products at the same time. Okay, number of products at the same time is nothing but the mass production. For example, manufacturing of different nut and bolts. Okay, now within second or nails, manufacturing of nails. Maximum. Okay, if you use the automation by using different CNC machine, this also will become very effective. Okay, now the inflexibility to accommodate different products. Okay, definitely. Why? The certain product or fixed program we have given. Okay, for that inflexibility is not available. Okay, for flexibility is not available in that type of automation. Okay, now for example, bottling and packing plants. Okay, bottling. For example, the I have given one example. Okay, milk packing. Okay, are different as codification in also product. Okay, this is also one of the example of fixed automation. Okay, now what is second type? Also fixed automation is nothing but the as well as hard automation. Okay, why hard word is there? Because hard is nothing but fixed. Okay, for that purpose they have named as hard automation. Okay, now second automation. Okay, second automation is nothing but the programmable automation. Okay, or soft automation. What is the difference between first and second? Okay, first of all we have to see that what is the programmable automation. Okay, suppose if you see here in first image, okay, fixed automation. If you see in this image, okay, something one of the industry, certain production is there going on. Okay, I think boxing is there. Okay, different types of. Okay, in second slide also programmable automation. Okay, what is the programmable automation? In programmable automation, the production equipment is designed with the capacity to change the sequence of operation. What is the difference? In previous, we're not able to change the sequence. Okay, and this is nothing but fixed. What is the programmable? We can change the sequence of the operations. Okay, to accommodate the different product configuration. Okay, to change the sequence of operations to accommodate different production configuration. For example, if you want, in previous example, okay, the milk packing machine. Okay, now first of all we have given the program to that machine to pack the machine of half liter. Okay, half liter machine packing half liter म्हणजे अर्धा liter packing करायचं program if you have given. Okay, now suddenly we require the 1 liter program. Okay, now this is not possible in fixed automation, but in programmable automation this is available. Why? Because this is a in this type of automation, we can change the sequence of the operation. Okay. Now the operation sequence is controlled by the programmer. Okay. Here the programmer role is very important. Okay. Now in fixed automation, now the basic thing in but in fixed automation, no required any human. Why? Because after giving whatever the fixed program, okay, no need to change the program. Okay. Now, but in programmable automation, the program can sequence or whatever the sequence can change is very important for the controller. Okay. Who is controller? Okay. Program is controlled by the any human effort. Okay. Okay. For the programmer. Now, which is a according to coded. What is coded? Different programs, different directions. Okay, so that they can be read and interpreted by the system. Okay. Now here very important. If the machine also having sensors. Okay, suppose we have to manufacture the different. Okay, we have to manufacture some food product. Okay, in bakery industry also, there are certain this type of automation is there. Okay, according to the input. Okay, by considering the input, the machine can access whatever the input. Okay, and according to that input, machine can change. Okay, now suppose I will give one example. Okay, in last year, one example I saw. Okay, in Colgate industry. Okay, the Colgate industry. Okay, now in Colgate industry, the one problem was facing there. Okay, the industry was facing one problem. Which problem? Now, after the filling that Colgate tube. Okay, after the filling that Colgate tube, the packing is very important. Okay, for the dispatch. Okay, before dispatch, the packing is very, very important. Now, packing box is also another. Okay, or this is a different part. Okay, according to the paste. That paste we have to put in that box. Okay, a rectangular box. Now, the industry are given to fill the paste in that box. Okay, this is a continuous operation. Okay, or fixed automation. Now, after the filling, that tube will become inside the box, and that box will be dispatched. Okay, this is the sequence of that. Now, in that also, the something in something time, okay, in between, one problem will happen. What problem? Okay, due to some whatever the different difficulties, because of certain technical problem. Okay, now how we can identify that? Okay, this is very difficult, na? Because this is automation, no human interference is there. Okay, now we have to check that every box is having that Colgate tube. Okay, now what is the role? Now for that purpose, the different sensors are required. Now which type of sensor? The weight calculator sensor. Okay, म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी जर आपण एखादा वेट जर असेल, समजा ट्यूब त्या बॉक्स मध्ये जर गेलीच नाही, तशी जर दुकानात गेली, ओके, now there will be very difficult for that industry. Okay, for the reputation of that industry. त्या इंडस्ट्री वाला काय म्हणणार, 1 डझन वेटचे डबे जे त्यातले 2 मोकळ्या जाय. ओके, पुन्हा तो करे. This is also very important for the reputation. Okay, now for that purpose, the different sensors are used. Okay, now that type of sensors are also considered in the software automation. Okay, new product. See in this theoretical part. New programs can be prepared and entered into equipment to produce a new product. Okay, whatever the program as per our requirement. Okay, whatever the changes. Now this is also programmable automation. Now the very important part, greater flexibility due to computers. Now, who is the computer or programmer? Okay, by using computer we can add the program. Okay, according to our requirement. Now reprogramming helps to variety of product. Okay, this is also one of the advantages by considering the previous type. Okay, we can change the program. Suppose you want to change the direction or change the dimension, change the weight. Okay, this is also one of the uh, feature is available in the this type of software or this type of automation suitable for the batch production. Batch production is also a mass production, or batch production is also whatever the same type of component. Okay, same type of object. For example, CNC and VNC machine. So example of programmable automation is CNC and VNC machine. Okay. Now suppose see here the image considering the VNC machine. Okay. Now what is the role of that machine? Okay, to check or to manufacture the product. I think the drilling option is there. Okay, whatever the pictures, okay, are there. Okay, GMT pictures are there. According to the requirement, the machine is ready for the to follow the instructions. Okay, and this is about the programmable flexible automation. Okay. Okay, or I think, or you are thinking that thing. Okay, you are thinking what is the two types is sufficient. Okay, what is the need of three types? Okay, but something additional features is required, or additional features are added in the flexible automation. Okay, a flexible automation is an extension of the programmable automation. Okay, this is also as like second type. Okay, programmable automation or soft automation, but something the extension is there. Okay, something the innovation is there. Okay, system is capable of production in variety of part with virtually no time loss for the changeover. Okay, now here in previous type we have there the programmer is required for the change the dimensions. Okay, but in this type of automation, no programmer is required. Okay, for that purpose, no time loss is there. The system and altering the physical setup. Okay, suppose altering physical setup is nothing but the suppose in previous study. Okay, the GMT pictures are there. Okay, suppose our role is to drill that every product. Okay, our role is, or our duty is to drill that every product. Okay, whatever the GMT pictures are. Okay, but if you require the some physical setup. Okay, now sorry, what is the physical setup is nothing but whatever GMT pictures, whatever the foundation. Okay, this is nothing but the basic physical setup. Okay, now without changing the that type of physical setup is nothing but the flexible. Where we have seen this flexible automation, suppose in the manufacturing industry, automobile industry, automotive industry. Okay, the line work is there. Okay, I think those are having the experience of the job in the industry. Okay, they might be knowing. Okay, what is the line work is there. Okay, suppose the in automobile industry, suppose if you see in this image also. Okay, this is also line work. Okay, now whatever according to the requirement, according to the changes, the machine will take decision without any human interference. Okay, machine can change the decision without human interference. This is nothing but the flexible automation. Okay, if you see here, this is one of the robotic arm is there. Okay, where the difficulty is there, that robotic arm will give his role. Okay, according to the requirement. This is nothing but now what is the important feature of the flexible automation. Variety of product can be produced with no time lost for the changeover or product to another. Okay, this is also very important. Why? Because the no time lost. Okay, in previous also the programmer is required for the giving the program. Okay, suppose if you want to manufacture a half liter bottle to the 1 liter bottle. Okay, for that purpose the programmer is also required. Okay, to change the program. But in flexible automation, according to your requirement, according to the sensor, according to the product, that machine will can change directly. Okay, or setup. Okay, and this is also important factor. No loss of production time during the program, definitely. Now highest flexibility. Okay, very highest flexibility is there. Why? Because no any human interference is there. Okay, it can change dimension, it can change according to the requirement. Okay. Now what is the example? Okay, the requirement of more investment requires more investment is nothing but the this system is little bit costly. Why? The different programs are required. Okay, different high configuration machines are required. Okay, now it has flexibility as comparison to the other automation. Okay, now one of the flexible manufacturing system is also there. Okay, one of the example of the flexible automation system. Okay, this is a example of the flexible automation. Okay, now is it clear? Flexible automation. Flexible automation is also an extension. Okay, an extension of the programmable automation. There is no required any human interference. Okay, for the also time loss. The very important feature is no time lost. Okay, directly without any time requirement, the machine can change his role. Okay, this is nothing but the flexible automation. Okay, three types we have covered. Okay, now advantages and disadvantages of the automation. Okay, now particularly automation, what are the advantages? Okay, so before moving to the advantages, okay, I want to ask question to anyone to give any advantages of the automation. Okay, now whatever the, as per our previous knowledge, okay, you can give the examples or you can give the advantages. What are the advantages? Okay, so anyone or the calling name is required because of this is a theoretical part. Okay, fully theoretical part. Due to that, the interaction is very important. Okay, तुम्हाला जर नाही बोललो तर तुम्ही कधी झोपे गेल्याला करणार नाही. This is also very important. और किती जण मला जागे तेवढे एकदा बघू द्या. Also message. We can't hear you. अरे ऐकू येत नाही का प्रज्वल?
सर मधूनच आवाज जातो तुमचा.
म्हणजे किती वेळ जातोय आवाज असा?
असं 2-3 सेकंड जातो सर. ते कंटिन्युअस टीच करत असताना मधूनच आवाज जाते सर.
होय का? आता ते काय झालं माहिती आहे का, पंढरपूर आहे लॉकडाऊन आणि आम्ही आहे घरी आता, कॉलेजमध्ये नाही, त्यामुळे गावात थोडा असू द्या, करू काहीतरी आपण प्रयत्न. मी वाटलं सावकाश बोलतो थोडं, जर फास्ट होत असेल तर मला नक्की सांगा बरं का. हा मोठेवार आहेत का आदित्य मोठेवार?
येस सर.
हा ओके ओके. हा आदित्य, automation. Okay, give any one advantages. Okay, I will ask to everyone. मला बघू द्या सगळे जागे आहेत का. बरं ठीक आहे, पुढचं बघतो कोण आहे, मी बघतो. हा, one also important thing is there. Okay, the 90% student has submitted the assignment. Okay, only 10% are remaining. So I am not, I think this is not required to give the name here. Okay, this is not a good platform. 90% student, okay, has submitted the assignment. This is a very good thing. Okay, those are remaining 10%. I will take decision. Okay, very good. Ha, Ganesh Todkar is there. Ganesh Todkar, am I audible, Ganesh? Because our lecture is 2 hours, continuously 2 hours we have to take. Okay, Ganesh आहे का झोपला? Ha, anyone, please give the anyone advantages of the automation. Okay, if you might be knowing. Okay,
Sir,
different
less errors in the
advantages of
work.
the automation. Ha, anyone? Deepajyoti.
Less error.
Ha, definitely. Less error is nothing but the accuracy. Okay, accuracy is the maximum. Okay, very good. Ha, next one. Anyone give the advantages?
Minimized.
Huh?
Time is minimized, means we take less time to produce that things.
Yes. Okay, time reduction. Okay, or this is a not time consuming. Okay, time we can save. Okay, this is very important. Okay, next, what is the
Productivity.
advantages of automation? First
Productivity
is
is increased.
productivity. Okay, productivity is nothing but mass production. Okay, or different types of production we can here also improve worker safety. Safety is also important. Okay. Right. Safety is also important. This is advantages. Next, anyone? चार पाच लोक जागे आहेत का काय?
Sir, quality of product increases.
Quality product. Quality will be also increase. Okay. Right. Less worker required. Definitely. Okay. No human interference. Okay. One person can handle overall industry. Okay. These are the advantages. Can work 24/7. Very good. Okay, according to our machine's capacity, okay, capability, okay, we can manufacture work. Now in our manufacturing industry, work will be definitely 24/7. Okay, there are 3 shifts are there for the worker also. Okay, म्हणजे 10 ते 5 शाळा मास्टर सारखं नाही ते काम. म्हणजे ड्यू टू दॅट काय होते आपल्याला ऑटोमेशन मुळे 24/7 available. Okay, manufacturing process is available. This is also advantages. Okay, so let's see what are the advantages. Okay, if you will get idea. Okay, now first is a reduction in production time. Okay, reduction in production time. Machine having a machine that automated definitely speed up. Okay, speed up is nothing but the production time will require minimum. Okay, since thinking needed by the machine, there is a better repeatability and less human error. Okay, this is also better repeatability. Okay, now certain operations they can occur. Okay, certain operations they can follow. Okay, for that, due to that, the time reduction is also there. Okay, time saving process. This is one of the advantages. Now, increase in accuracy and the repeatability. Okay, definitely accuracy will be increased. Okay, in automation. Okay, accuracy and repeatability compare far greater. Okay, definitely less human error. Okay, less human error. No one is perfect. Okay, and we are all prone to making mistakes. So, which is a why machine that performs the repeated task is less likely to make mistakes than the employee. Okay, no one is perfect. Okay, by considering the human, but machine is perfect. Okay, so very little. Unfortunately, machine will also do mistake. Okay, due to the some maintenance problem. Okay, but human. म्हणजे आता तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना सांगितलं असाइनमेंट द्या म्हणून तर 90% दे हॅव फिनिश्ड हिज वर्क. ओके, आता ते 10% मध्ये कुठल्याही कॅटेगरीत बसणार तर ते मिस्टेक्स मध्ये बसणार. ओके, म्हणजे हे 10 लोक काय द ह्युमन एरर मध्ये म्हणजे काहीतरी एरर आहे यांच्या लोकांमध्ये. ओके, दिस इज नथिंग बट द ह्युमन एरर. ओके, बाय युजिंग द ऑटोमेशन. नाउ द लेस एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट. This is important. Okay, so less employee cost. What is less employee cost? Anyone? What is the employee cost? Anyone? Employee cost is nothing but the salary. Okay, whatever the amount, okay, required for the employee. Okay, this will be included in the employee cost. Okay, less employee cost. Why? Because due to the automation, we require the less human. If you require less human, is definitely in other side our cost will reduce. Okay, this is nothing but the less employee cost. म्हणजे 100 कामगार घेण्यापेक्षा एकच मॅनेजर हा जर हँडल करत असेल तर एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट आपली डेफिनेटली कमी होणार आहे. ओके, बाय theoretical part is also there. By adding automated machines to an operation means less employees are needed. Okay, to go the job done. Okay, now it also indicates less safety issues. Okay, also safety issue is also which leads to financial saving. Okay, which now this will not be happen in automation. Okay, for that purpose the employee cost is also reduction. Okay, industry मध्ये whenever I will give the management part is there. Okay, very important. If you will give in industry, okay, if you will as a manager, okay, now what is the role of manager? Okay, म्हणजे आपण ज्यावेळेस एखाद्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये जाईल बघा, बी आफ्टर बी completion of B. Okay, now if you will get an opportunity to now how we can handle that person? Okay, because whatever the worker, okay, whatever the chain of that worker is very different. Okay, now how we can handle that person? म्हणजे ते काय असतात, काही वर्कर असतात, पिओन्स असतील, अनएज्युकेटेड असतात काही वर्कर. ओके, और 8 standard, 10 standard, 12 standard according to the there. But for that manager, you have to control overall. ओके, म्हणजे एखाद्या इंजिनियरला तुम्हाला गाडी करणं सोपं आहे, पण एखाद्या वर्करला गाडी करणं कसं असेल, दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ दी रिस्क. ओके, म्हणजे इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये फॉर दॅट पर्पज ऑल्सो financial saving is also important. Okay, so this is also a role of that manager. Okay, and according to the managerial aspect, okay, you can save the employee cost, okay, by using the automation. Okay, now employee cost, where to get back our point, employee cost. Okay, different the financial saving due to the safety. Okay, now with having less employees, there are numerous costs that are diminished to reduce such a payroll, benefits, sick days, okay, etc. म्हणजे हे काय आहे तर डिफरंट बघा, म्हणजे वेनेवर यू विल बिकम अ मॅनेजर, हे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल बघा, किती कामगार आजारी पडलोय, काय बरेच उदाहरण देतात आता, ते आता तुम्हाला पुढे ऐकायला मिळतील. ओके, इन फ्युचर. ओके, डिफरंट बेनिफिट्स असतील, मला बाबा पगार वाढवून पाहिजे, ओके, सासू आजारी पडले, कुठे ह्याला ऍडमिट करायचं आहे, झालं, हे सुरूच असतं इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये गेले. हाऊ कॅन हँडल दॅट एम्प्लॉई? ओके, डेफिनेटली द एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट विल बी इन्क्रीज. म्हणजे एखादा कामगार जर आज आला नाही तर दिस इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू स्टॉप द प्रोडक्शन. ओके, ड्यू टू दॅट वर्कर. ओके, फॉर दॅट पर्पज अनदर वर्कर वी हॅव टू हायर. दिस इज ऑल्सो difficult for the industry. Okay, but in the automation, if you require automation, if you consider the automation in industry, definitely this problem will not happen. Okay, now the second is increased safety. Okay, safety is a very important factor. Okay, safety is very important factor in industry. Okay, because very dangerous operations are there. Okay, in industry the temperature is also higher. Okay, the inside environment, different chemicals are there. Okay, in industry. Okay, now this is also increases the safety. Okay, automation increases the safety. This is one of the advantages of the automation. Productivity or higher production is also available. Okay, this is one of the advantages of the automation. Okay, now see here in short automation, reduction in labor cost. Okay, labor shortage can be avoided. Okay, due to the automation. Now increased productivity. Okay, we already seen that. Reduction in human related problems. Okay, whatever the problems. Okay, as compared to human. Okay, let it be. You might be knowing about different human problems. Okay. Now safety of the operator. Okay, safety is also advantages. Safety maximum or more safety is available in automation. Okay, optimum use of expensive material. Okay, optimum use of expensive material. Now this is very important. Okay, cost saving factor is there. Okay, in industry there very expensive materials are there. Okay, expensive machines are, raw material is also sometimes expensive. Okay, now the use of that expensive materials. Okay, due to the automation, the loss is very negligible. Okay, loss is negligible as compared to the human effort. Okay, in automation, optimum use of expensive material, flexibility to the designer. Okay, as a designer, flexibility is also part of automation. Improved product quality. Okay, quality will can also improve due to the automation. Okay, reduced lead time. Okay, reduced lead time is nothing but the overall time. Okay, now lead time is nothing but the whatever the machine will be off. Okay, जर आपण ह्युमन असेल तर ड्यू टू द फटीग किंवा मग थकवा जर आला कंटाळा आला तर काहीतरी ती मशीन बंद करावं लागणार आहे किंवा तुमची लाईट गेली म्हणून काहीतरी मशीन झालं तर दिस इज नथिंग बट द लीड टाइम. ओके, सॉरी, this time will be also reduced. Lead time is the total working time. Okay, now the effect, different errors will be there. Now that work will be removed due to the automation. Okay, म्हणजे हा प्रॉब्लेम तिथे येणारच नाही, म्हणजे लीड टाइम जो असेल तो रिड्यूस होणार. ओके, रिडक्शन इन WIP इन्व्हेंटरी. ओके, वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. Okay, WIP is nothing but the work in progress. Whatever the work will be there, definitely work will be continuous due to automation. Now increase the shop efficiency. Okay, increase the shop efficiency. What is shop efficiency? The output of that industry. Okay, or in management language, the profit will be also increases. Okay, definitely. Okay, now these are the advantages of the automation. Okay, now if their advantages are there, definitely disadvantages will be there. Okay, now these advantages are acceptable. Okay, but some disadvantages are there. Okay, what are the disadvantages? Anyone tell me? Okay, you have given the advantages in better way. Okay, so I require what are the disadvantages of the automation? Anyone? I का कोण बघा? Disadvantages of the automation. Anyone tell me? Roll number 9. Okay. Deepajyoti Sati, tell us.
High maintenance cost.
Yes.
High maintenance cost.
Definitely high maintenance cost. Okay, because the machineries are also very expensive. Okay, maintenance is also expensive. Definitely right. Next.
Sir, initial cost is high.
Initial cost is also high because okay, machineries are very expensive. One message I also got. High initial cost, skilled workers are required. Definitely. Okay, is nothing but the this is also required maximum cost. Okay, or worker cost. For example, we studied that the employee cost is also maximum. Okay, again unemployment high. Unemployment. Okay, next. Very important disadvantages of the automation, unemployment, right? And next. Anyone? अरे बाप रे, फोन आला. अरे am I audible? Okay, thank God. लेफ्ट झालं नाही ना मी?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
झालो. हॅलो, एनीवन? बरं, लेफ्ट झालं नाही तर कोणाला लेफ्ट होतं बघा. what is our point? Disadvantages. Okay, so very good points from student. Okay, one of the message also here. Pranay, if suddenly breakdown occurs, overall production stop. This is also disadvantages. म्हणजे लाईट गेले प्रॉब्लेम सारखा झाला तो, बरोबर का? ड्यू टू दिस सम सडन फेल्युअर विल बी देअर. ओके, सडन लेट डाऊन. डेफिनेटली दिस इज ऑल्सो डिसएडवांटेजेस. म्हणजे तो मेंटेनन्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इन प्रिव्हियस डिकेड आय एम हॅव्हिंग वन व्हेरी गुड एक्झाम्पल. ओके, so one MRI machine is there. Okay, in our Solapur district only one machine is there in Ashwin hospital. Okay, म्हणजे त्या काळात this is not related our engineering. Okay, so let it be. Now due to that मशीन ते MRI मशीन तिथं बंद पडली होती बघा त्या सोलापूरमध्ये आणि अख्ख्या पूर्ण मशीन आहे. तर ते मशीन मेंटेनन्स करायचा. तर मेंटेनन्स प्रॉब्लेम वेअर मेंटेनन्स प्रॉब्लेम हु इज द मॅन्युफॅक्चरर. ती मशीनचं आपल्याला माहितीच नव्हतं ना काय. न्यू मशीन इज देअर. ओके, सपोज राफेल in previous 2-3 days. Okay, Rafale is available in our India. Okay, म्हणजे आपण रशियाकडून जे काय राफेल घेतले 5 राफेल आणि पुन्हा 2 सुकोई. ओके, यू माइट बी नोइंग. दिस इज जनरल नॉलेज पार्ट. म्हणजे ते जर समजा राफेल जर आता बंद पडलं एखाद्या वेळेस किंवा मेंटेनन्स रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, मेंटेनन्स जर रिक्वायर्ड झाला त्याला तर काय असणार आहे आपल्याला मेंटेनन्स करण्यासाठी ते रशियावरून माणसं बोलवावं लागणार. काय बरोबर का? Now this is also some disadvantages are there. Okay, now according to the maintenance also this is a little bit very hard. Okay, म्हणजे एक्झाम्पल देतो तुम्ही MRI मशीन. सोलापूरमध्ये एकच मशीन होते तर ते मेंटेनन्स साठी अमेरिकेवरून माणसं बोलवायचे. तर ते MRI उपलब्ध नसल्यामुळे 100-200 कितीतरी पेशंट तिथं डेफिनेटली दे विल ऑल्सो इन very critical situation. Okay, now this is also one of the disadvantages. Okay, very good. So we will move towards the disadvantages, automation disadvantages. Okay, so high initial cost. Definitely high initial cost is nothing but the machines are there, programs are there, or also designer. Okay, म्हणजे बघा तुम्ही जर मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर. ओके, आफ्टर कम्प्लिशन ऑफ युअर मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंग. ओके, इफ यू आर हॅव्हिंग व्हेरी लॉट ऑफ एक्सपिरियन्स. म्हणजे एका इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये जर तुम्ही 50,000 रुपये पेमेंट घेत असाल. ओके, ड्यू टू द एक्सपिरियन्स. पुढच्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये जर तुम्हाला बोलवलं तर तुम्ही 40,000 वर जाताल का तिथे? नाही ना. ओके, द एक्सपेक्टेशन विल बी इनक्रीज. ओके, म्हणजे जे काही वॉट एव्हर द एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट एम्प्लॉय सॅलरी, नो एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट. एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. ओके, इन ऑटोमेशन, बट एम्प्लॉय सॅलरी विल बी मॅक्सिमम. Our machines are very expensive. Okay, this is also disadvantages of the automation. High initial cost. Okay, complicated machineries. Complicated machinery. Recently I have given an example. Okay, MRI machine जर तुम्हाला दुरुस्त करायचे झाले किंवा राफेल जर असेल ते दुरुस्त करायचं झालं. Okay, whenever we require the maintenance. Okay, the maintenance will such a person will do maintenance. Such a machine will do maintenance. They have manufactured. Okay, who have manufactured that machine? Okay, this is very important role. म्हणजे काय म्हणतो आपण रे त्याला मराठीमध्ये तर माणसाच्या डॉक्टरला माणूसच नीट करू शकतो. जनावरांचा जर आणला तर ते काय होईल रे? ते नाही ना चालणार. ओके, दिस इज नथिंग म्हणजे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मशिनरीज. ओके, फॉर दॅट द मेंटेनन्स प्रॉब्लेम इज ऑल्सो देअर. ओके, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मशिनरीज आर देअर. दिस इज डिसएडव्हांटेजेस. डाऊन टाइम आर एक्सपेन्सिव्ह. ओके, डाऊन टाइम आर एक्सपेन्सिव्ह. ओके, म्हणजे आता जे वन ऑफ द स्टुडंट प्रणय दे हॅव गिवन द ब्रेक like in COVID situation. Okay, due to that COVID situation, the number of manufacturing industries are stopped. Okay, the working is stopped. This is also downtime. Okay, downtime is nothing but due to electricity, due to sudden, if you will get the earthquake also. Okay, different any natural failure will be there. Okay, definitely the downtime will be expensive. म्हणजे downtime मध्ये काय येतं बघा, जर machine if will off, then employee payment will not be stopped. Okay, why? Because this is also government role. Okay, म्हणजे आता तुम्ही कॉलेजमध्ये जर येत नसाल तरी पेमेंट चालत ना शिक्षकांची. ओके, इन गव्हर्नमेंट ऑल्सो. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो इफ यू कन्सिडर द डाऊन टाइम. ओके, ओनली द व्हॉट वी कॅन से म्हणजे खर्च जे म्हणतो आपण त्याला ते चालूच राहणार आहे. ओके, व्हॉट एव्हर द बट प्रॉफिट विल बी नॉट देअर. This is also downtime is also expensive. Now higher maintenance cost. Maintenance cost is higher. Why? The machines are also expensive. Okay, due to that the maintenance is also expensive. Okay, म्हणजे किती टाइम झाला ते? Okay, 1 hour is also 1 hour completed. Okay, so I will give one example. Okay, higher maintenance cost. म्हणजे one doctor says that one doctor fee is near about 1,000. Okay, 1,000. Now suppose if you take the one mechanical example. Okay, म्हणजे एका माणसाची गाडी बंद पडलेली असते. Okay, one vehicle will be due to some unfortunately due to any failure engine breakage engine problem. Okay, the vehicle is stopped. Okay, within road. Okay, within the genre of that person. Okay, now the maintenance purpose for they have called the worker. Okay, whatever the garage worker is there. Okay, they came there for the maintenance of that vehicle. Okay, now only whenever they will come at that machine, okay, they have used the only hammer. Okay, and by using that hammer they have only hammered 2-3 times on that bonnet of that car. Okay, and car will start. Okay, car is started due to only the that hammering. Okay, and they have given the bill. Okay, 1,000 required. Okay, what is the bill? 1,000. पण ते माणूस काय म्हणणार आहे, 2 ठोके मारले तू इथं त्याने 1,000 रुपये कशाचे. Okay, now they worker said that now work is very less. Okay, but the talent behind that, where we have to hammer that, what is the location for that hammer? This is for that purpose I have taken such amount. Okay, म्हणजे 1,000 रुपये फी मधले ते हॅमर मारायचे किती 5 रुपये असतील. ओके, पण 995 रुपये कशाचे कुठं हॅमर मारायचे. ओके, दिस इज नथिंग बट द okay, this is also very difficult. Okay, very dangerous for the employers. Okay, due to the automation काय झालं ते employment is there. Why? Because the labor is also required less. Okay, human effort is also less. Due to that the unemployment is there. Okay, म्हणजे due to that the in government. Okay, suppose anyone from you supposed to the government examination study. Okay, they might be knowing. Okay, what is the government strategy? Okay, what the ministers are working. म्हणजे मंत्रालयामध्ये दिवस काय चालतं. ओके, तर ह्याच गोष्टी चालतात किंवा अधिवेशन म्हणतो आपण त्याला. ओके, म्हणजे वर्षातून 3 अधिवेशन, पावसाळे, हिवाळे, उन्हाळे. ओके, हे अधिवेशन असतात काय टू सॉल्व दी पीपल ऑर सोसायटी प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला कळतील की बाबा वर्कर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट मध्ये काय होते. ओके, suppose one nanar project is there. Okay, in Konkan. Okay, in previous year. Okay, nanar project is there. Okay, now due to some political issue they have stopped there. Okay, म्हणजे काय झालं तिथं अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट झाली. म्हणजे इफ यू started industry in local area, in village area, definitely the employ or job availability will be definitely there. Okay, but due to the automation, right, unemployment is increasing. Okay, as our we are in first or second position. Okay, population. Okay, it's very difficult for the to survive of every person. You know, this is also disadvantages of the automation. Okay, worker unemployment, human skill got waste. Definitely, म्हणजे स्किल्ड वर्कर भरपूर आहेत आपल्याकडे. ओके, भरपूर इंजिनियर आहेत पण रिक्वायरमेंटच नाही. वाय? The automation is introduced. Okay, automation is introduced. Due to that, the human skill will be definitely lost. Okay. Now, lesser job openings are there. Definitely, lesser job openings. Due to that, the unemployment is there. Okay, unemployment is there. Okay, now these are the some disadvantages of the automation. Okay, so our next point, moving to our next point, automation and CAD CAM. So automation and CAD CAM. So what is the role of automation in CAD CAM system? Okay, this is our main point for the discussion. CAD CAM involves the not only the automation of the manufacturing operations, okay, but also the automation of element in the entire design and manufacturing process. Okay, entire design and manufacturing process included the automation. Okay, now in automation in previous 3 chapters. Okay, Now, what is CAD CAM? Okay, CAD CAM, CAE, computer aided manufacturing, computer analysis, okay, computer aided design drafting. Okay, this is nothing but automation, na? Okay, now what is the relation in between CAD CAM system? Okay, suppose if you see in this image also, okay, this image is showing the one 3D object. Okay, now one 3D operation is there. Okay, and that operation we have created in software. Okay, suppose in our CATIA also the ergonomic tool is there. Okay, we can design human also in CATIA. Okay, whatever the operation, I will show that. Okay, I will show this activity whenever we will be in practical. Okay, this is very important. Okay, some automation or simulation is also available in different software. Okay, simulation is nothing but the whatever the in the product will be in field. Okay, at the working stage. Okay, what will be the changes? What will be the process? Okay, how the product will be give the direction. Okay, how will be the product will be take its role. Okay, now that role or that simulation we can see also in software. Okay, now this is also part of the automation. Okay, in software. Now suppose if you consider first of all CAD. What is CAD? Computer aided design. Okay, now what is the automation in CAD? Okay, what is the automation in CAD? Okay, म्हणजे आता you are not aware about CAD. Okay, म्हणजे जे काय ड्रॉइंग सॉफ्टवेअर असतील डिझाईन सॉफ्टवेअर. ओके, ड्यू टू दॅट कोविड म्हणजे आपण ते हँडल करू शकणार. म्हणजे जर आपण वेनेवर if our practical will be there, okay, definitely this type of automation will get idea. Okay, you will get idea. So what is the automation in CAD system? Okay, suppose if you definitely according to the whatever the distance you will give. Okay, suppose you have to pad that circle in terms of rod. Okay, in 10 mm or 10 mm to up to whatever. Okay, if, as per our requirement. This is nothing but automation. Okay, what is simulation also? Okay, suppose what is the rotation, crankshaft rotation. Okay, piston cylinder, how the manufacturing. What is automation? Okay, in last 1 hour we are considering this type of automation. Okay, now this is also a relation in between the automation and the CAD CAM. Okay, now particularly for this image. Okay, now this image is designed. Now what is this image? Two robots are there. Okay? Two robotic arms are there. Okay, the right side robot is holding the whatever the object. Okay, right side robot have 1 minute. Right side robot, role of that right side robot is holding that object. Okay, and second robot, left side robot, whatever the operation. Now the role of that robot is whatever the operation, drilling, finishing. Overall assembly we have designed inside the software. Okay, this is very important. म्हणजे आपण प्रोडक्ट तयार केला ना, लक्षात घ्यायचं. Okay, also manufacturing machine is also we are giving or we have created machine in software. Now okay, whatever the simulation. Okay, and in actually what will be the procedure? Okay, what will be the production process would look like? Okay, now this is nothing but the automation, and that type of automation is also available. Okay, in CAD CAM. This is nothing but the relation in between the CAD CAM. Okay, so CAD CAM involves not only the automation of the manufacturing operation but also the automations of elements in the entire design and manufacturing process. Okay, now computer aided design makes use of computer system to assist the creation, modification, analysis, optimization of a design. Optimization is nothing but the simulation. Okay, or for example in 3D printing also. What is the role of 3D printing? According to your product given, okay, according to your design given, okay, they will start manufacturing directly. Okay, now this is nothing but the optimization. This all are also considered in the automation. Okay. Huh. So very important is factor in before moving group technology. We have to discuss again. I think one point is missing in this PPT. Okay, CIM. Okay, computer integrated manufacturing. After automation, computer integrated manufacturing and CAD CAM. Okay, this point is missing in this PPT. So I have opened another PPT. Okay, so within 1 minute I will check all the PPT. So let it be. If this article will not be here, I will take again. Okay. So sorry friends. Within 1 minute. Battery. Hello. Robotic sound. हा. प्रज्वल. हॅलो.
हा सर.
काय होतंय?
सर आवाज खूप असं स्टक स्टक येत होता सर. आता पण क्लिअरली आहे सर.
आता कॉल आहे सर.
आता परत तसंच यायला सर.
दोन्ही दिवसात आवाज येतोय बघा. स्टेशन बदलल्यावर लॅग होतोय आवाज तुमचा.
हॅलो हॅलो हा आता येतो का वगैरे आवाज चांगला रेडिओ
हा
चॅनल
सर
सारखा
येतो.
आवाज हा ठीक आहे सो लेट स्टार्ट वेस्टिंग ऑफ टाइम तो पण चालू आहे तो पण चालू आहे हेडफोन प्रॉब्लेम हा हॅलो हा सो कॉम्प्युटर इंटिग्रेटेड मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग computer integrated manufacturing is nothing but the CIM. Okay, what is the CIM and the relation in between the CIM? Okay, so computer integrated manufacturing consisting of the different elements. Okay, what are the elements? Marketing elements. Okay, now it is the first element of the CIM. The purpose of this department is to identify the need of the product. Okay, in the market and later on the selling product in some markets. I am something the management portion is there. Okay, so we will discuss again. Okay, now moving towards the group technology. Okay, what is the group technology? Group technology is nothing but a mass production. Okay, whatever the uh, also I have given one example. Okay, the Tata consultancy, sorry, or Tata product. Okay, now in that Tata group, in that Reliance group, okay, the different production, different services are there. Okay, service may be there, product may be there. Okay, now this is also is nothing but the group technology. So to see in detail, okay, the group technology. So group technology is an approach in manufacturing. Okay, in which similar parts are identified and grouped together. Okay, in order to take advantage of their similarities. Okay, in design and manufacturing. Okay, whatever the similar product will be there. Okay, now group technology is also one of the approach. Okay, which approach manufacturing in which similar parts are identified and grouped together. Okay, in manufacturing, suppose in one engine manufacturing company. Okay, for example, Cummins. Okay, what is the role of Cummins or Kirloskar to manufacture the engine? Okay, but engine is one singular property or singular object. No. Okay. Hello. I am audible. ठीक है. So
हॅलो बोल की बाहेर काय झालं रे सर लेफ्ट झाले वाटतं
देशमुख लिहू का देशमुख? हे पुत्या
चल
लिहू.
हॅलो श्रेया हॅलो
हॅलो वगैरे मी आता मगाशी हॅलो
येस सर.
किती वेळ झाला लेट झालं हॅलो
15 मिनिट झाली सर.
अरे मी इकडे एक आर्टिकल संपवले की मी माझ्या लक्षातच नाही लेफ्ट झालेलं मला लगेच मेसेज तर करायचा नाही फोन तर करायचा मी आपलं चालू आहे माझं चालूच आहे हा लास्ट लास्ट काय ऐकलं तुम्ही सांगा बरं विच पॉइंट कवर्ड लास्ट बिफोर 50
सर ग्रुप टेक्नॉलॉजी फक्त नाव
ग्रुप टेक्नॉलॉजी
फक्त नेम त्याचं.
अरे बापरे ग्रुप टेक्नॉलॉजी पुढे भरपूर झालं ठीक आहे हा we will again see 20 minutes within 20 minutes we will finish that is remaining part okay so मला लगेच इथून पुढे लेफ्टच झालो ओके बिकॉज आय एम इन माय विलेज ओके आय एम नॉट इन कॉलेजमध्ये असल्यानंतर कसं आहे कॉलेजचं नेटवर्क उपलब्ध आहे तिथं इथं जरा घरा प्रॉब्लेम येतो बघा नेटवर्कचा लगेच मला कॉल करा मी लेफ्ट झाल्या एक जण कोणतरी माझ्या लक्षात झालं नाही सॉरी I have completed two slides. Okay. See here. So group technology. Okay, group technology is an approach in manufacturing in which similar parts are identified and grouped together. Okay, according to our requirement. Am I audible? Hello. Hello. Anyone?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay. So say again. The group technology is nothing but the approach in manufacturing in which the similar parts are identified. Okay, whatever the similar parts are there, that identification of that part and the grouping. Okay, suppose we have taken one example of the engine block. Okay, for the engine maintenance also. Okay, when you will go to engine in two-wheeler garage. Okay, so whatever the product, one simple example is there. म्हणजे आपण ज्यावेळेस गॅरेज मध्ये जातो गॅरेज मध्ये गेल्यानंतर तो वर्कर असेल गॅरेज मधला तो काय करतो एका डब्यामध्ये सगळं ठेवलेलं असतं बरोबर whatever the required tools are there okay different panels are there okay different types of nut bolts are there okay now all these requirement is kept in one box also okay in also one of the group technology whatever the requirement but in manufacturing and in design okay the similarities may be or grouping may be geometric shape and size and manufacturing process. Okay, suppose in this image, okay, suppose in this image here, now this is also one of the group technology. Okay, now group technology is nothing but whatever the according to shape, size and the manufacturing process. Okay, म्हणजे आता हे one example is showing. Okay, the one of the clutch plate or might be different product will be there okay this is the assembly part okay म्हणजे आपण काय म्हणतो बघा combined part okay what is the role of nut and bolt okay to combine the assembly okay or to combine the different product will become the assembly okay this is nothing but the group technology okay group technology is nothing but the similar family okay in that similar family okay also this is also joining part of the engine parts okay different threads are there okay threads okay now the similarities may be in geometric shape size and the manufacturing process okay now the similarities among parts permit them to the classified into part family okay our next point is the part family. Okay, in each part family, processing steps are similar. Okay, whatever the milk process, okay, the milk packing is a bottling industry or milk packing industry. Okay, there are different types of milk packing industry. For example, Gokul milk. Okay, Amul, Gokul, Hatsun, Sonai. Okay, Dudh Pandari. These are the different parts of the milk processing industry. Okay, different name or different honor or different parts of the milk industry. Okay, milk processing industry. Okay, but in manufacturing industry, for example, the Tata. Okay, Tata engine, Cummins engine, Kirloskar engine. Okay, now these are the manufacturer. Okay, but by considering that engine, the engine part, if you disassemble that engine, okay, the different part will be there. Now this part is nothing but the group technology. Okay, according to the size, shape, and the manufacturing process, the grouping is there. Okay, now how that grouping is made? Okay, there are four types of methods. Four methods are there for the group technology. Okay. Huh. So first four methods are there: the visual inspection, composite part concept, okay, production flow analysis, part classification, and the coding. Okay. Now let's see the first visual inspection. Okay. Now visual inspection is nothing but also according to the only visualization. Okay, using best judgment. Okay, using best judgment. For example, suppose we have to suppose we are in kitchen. Okay, now our today task is to काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला to create. Now what is the procedure, what is the equipment, what is the requirement to manufacture or to काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला तयार करण्यासाठी काय लागत आहे तर काय फर्स्ट गॅस ओके व्हॉट एव्हर द रिक्वायरमेंट कसं ते माझ्यापेक्षा तुम्हाला जास्त माहिती आहे ओके म्हणजे आपण काय करतो ते म्हणजे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हॉट इज आवर टास्क okay to create a mag. Okay, now we have to collect different recruitment sorry requirement. Okay, त्याला काय असेल स्टार्ट असेल वाटे असेल whatever काय असेल. Okay, now this is nothing but only based on the your visualization. Okay, using best judgment to group parts into the appropriate families. Okay, to appropriate families is nothing but the by using only judgment or by using only visualization. Okay, now grouping is there. Okay, now this is a very simple example. But in industry, suppose the engine. Okay, in that engine different parts are there. Okay, engine piston is there, engine block is there, engine rings are there. Okay, on that piston, different nut bolt, different screws are there. Okay, again different shafts are there. Okay, different wheels are there, flywheel are there, crank wheel are there. Okay, different cars. Now this is also nothing but the grouping. Okay, grouping is nothing but the similar family. Okay, now the composite concept, composite part concept. Composite part concept is nothing but feature. Okay, it is based on the feature of the all component for whatever the material. For example, if you consider the casting industry. Okay, that casting, suppose you have to manufacture engine block in casting industry. Okay, now what is the procedure? What is the requirement? Okay, first of all, we require the die. Okay, again that the different cores are there. Okay, different type of soil is there. Okay, different types of the mixtures are there. Grinder. Okay, now this is nothing but all about the group technology. Okay, according to the farming group. Okay, according to the feature. Now third method is a production flow analysis. Okay, production flow analysis using information contained on the root sheet to classify part. Okay, root sheet is nothing but the according to the given direction. Okay, suppose if you are in final year, okay, you require to project. Okay, you have to make one project as a final year student. Okay, now what is the procedure? The one methodology is there. First of all, you have to find out an idea. Okay, problem identification. After that, the literature review. After that, after the literature review, methodology is there. Okay, analysis, result analysis. Okay, different serving manufacturing process, design process, result analysis, conclusion, and references. This is the procedure. Now, next example, if you in garage, okay, if you require the servicing of your two-wheeler, okay, now what is the procedure of that servicing? Am I audible? सांगा रे, 2 मिनिटं विचारतो मी. माझं कीर्तन चालू आहे इकडे, सगळे जनता झोपलेली असं व्हायला नको.
येस सर, येस सर.
Okay. So production flow analysis is nothing but the root sheet. Okay. Now example, you have to servicing of your two-wheeler bike. Okay. You have to servicing of your two-wheeler bike. Okay. Now this is the procedure. Okay. This some standard procedure of that servicing. Okay. म्हणजे त्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये किंवा सर्व्हिसिंग सेंटरमध्ये गेल्यानंतर तिथे एक चार्ट असतो कोणासाठी, त्या वर्करसाठी. व्हॉट इज द प्रोसिजर ऑफ दॅट व्हेकल. ओके. म्हणजे त्या व्हेकलच्या सर्व्हिसिंग मध्ये काय काय येणार, तर त्याच्यामध्ये वाचलं पहिल्यांदा व्हेकल इंटरेस्ट इन आवर servicing center. After that, the oiling first of all. Okay. After that, checking the different bearings. Okay. Checking the electric, whatever the tire procedure. Sorry. काय म्हणतो बघा, सर्व्हिसिंग करण्यासाठी काय 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 गोष्टी लागतात त्या. ओके. व्हॉट एव्हर द इंडिकेटर चेकिंग. ओके. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सिस्टम चेकिंग, engine oil changing. Okay. Different gearbox changing. Okay. Is the way whether the vehicle is running smooth. Okay. Noise analysis. Okay. Carburetor cleaning. Okay. Suppose silencer checking. Okay. Plug checking. Okay. This is a procedure. Okay. This procedure is also one of the method of the group technology or root sheet. Okay. Root sheet is also one of the group technology. म्हणजे त्या root मध्ये जे जे component, whatever the process will be there. In our curriculum lab. Okay. One code is there. Okay. There, religion engineer and caste mechanical. Okay. Now from our student also there is one code. Okay. Yesterday I have seen there. Okay. Now what is the engineering? Engineering is nothing but the group technology. Now what are the groups are there? Okay. Mechanical engineering, IT engineering. Okay, whatever different, the 40 types of engineering is there. Okay. Now all these aeroplane engineers, aeronautical engineers. Okay. Automobile engineers. Okay. Now these all types or all fields is nothing but the group technology. Engineering is the group of branch. Okay. Different branch are there. Now this is nothing but the group. Inside the mechanical engineering, different subjects are there. Okay. Analytical engineer, production engineer. After that, automobile engineer. After that, again different types. Software engineers. Okay. Analysis engineer, marketing engineer. Okay. In also mechanical also. Now this is nothing but the group. Okay. Now for the example, for the product. Okay. According to, suppose I have taken one product here. See here, this is product. Okay. This is a different parts. Okay. Singular parts are there. Okay. Now after disassembly. Okay. Now this is a part of the one hydraulic machine. Okay. Whatever the hydraulic machine, for example, we have JCB machine. Okay. JCB machine, hydraulic working is there. Okay. Now whatever the required components in that JCB machine, okay, we have grouped together for the manufacturing, for the assembly. Okay. This is nothing but the group technology. Whatever the different walls are there, different threads are there. Okay. Nut bolts are there, different gears are there. Okay. Now all these requirement, singular shape, singular size and shape, singular process is nothing but the group technology. Now these are the four methods of the group technology. First is visualization, only by using visual effect. Only secondly, composite part. Okay. So composite part is nothing but based on the picture. Okay. Third part is nothing but production flow and different charts are there. Okay, for the manufacturing in industry. Okay. Also, we have taken one example. Kitchen स्वयंपाक करताना सुद्धा ते प्रोसिजर असेल, बरोबर का. समजा चपात्याला लाटायला तुम्ही बसलेला आहे, तर मग प्रत्येक वेळेस तुम्ही उठून जाता का रे, या डब्यातून हे घ्या, पीठ घ्या, दुसऱ्या डब्यातून दुसऱ्या रूम मध्ये जावा, नाही. व्हॉट इज द रोल ऑफ दॅट किचन, म्हणजे व्हॉट एव्हर द रिक्वायरमेंट, म्हणजे त्या किचन मध्ये आपण सगळे प्रोडक्ट एकत्र केले. ओके. म्हणजे ग्रुप केला का, ज्यावेळेस स्वयंपाक करताना तिथे सगळ्या गोष्टी मिळायला पाहिजे. ओके. दिस इज नथिंग बट द ग्रुप टेक्नॉलॉजी इन सिंपल वे. And last part is the classification and coding. Okay, classification and coding. Coding also we have part and relating them by means of the coding system. Okay, coding is nothing but suppose in four-wheeler also, in two-wheeler also, the chassis number are there. Okay, engine number is there. For the considering mobile component, IMEI number is there. Okay, battery number is there. This is nothing but okay. According to that coding, this is also grouped together. Okay, different models are same but different models are there. Okay, suppose Toyota, suppose Maruti. Okay, they are having different products. Okay, but all are together in group. Okay, now this is a example of group technology. Okay, so now the party family. The party family is also one of the type of group family. Okay, group technology. Okay. Part family can be defined as group of component having same attributes. Okay, size, shape, and the manufacturing process. Okay, part may not be exactly same but very close. All the parts are same. Okay, म्हणजे मी बोलतो फिजिबल म्हणजे ते कुठेही मॅच झाले पाहिजे इज नथिंग बट द पार्ट फॅमिली. Okay, so we have to take attendance today. Okay, totally theoretical part is there, and due to some network problem, different issues happen. So sorry for that. Okay, so again, only 20-30% part we have covered in these two lectures. Okay, so in next lecture also we will try to finish chapter early as possible. Okay, because another division is against. Okay, we are due to only the more explanation. Okay, पण मग काय कसं काय त्यामुळे असं काय समजू नका की आपले थोडे नेटवर्क इश्यू मुळे पण झाले सर. Due to the maximum explanation, we require the maximum time. So we will trying to complete in our syllabus. So today, first of all, I will take attendance. Okay, and after the attendance, we will stop here. Okay, and next lecture we will start from the part family. I think our next lecture on Monday, Tuesday. Okay, at last lecture. Okay, I will try to take lecture early as possible. Okay, in morning session. This is not possible. Okay, because from student feedback, the I think the aptitude lecture you have requested. Aptitude lecture should be at morning. Okay, due to that our lecture is at bottom stage. So don't worry, we will take definitely in better way. Okay, am I audible? Yes.
Yes.
Please stop the recording. Okay, I will take attendance.